Continuing on from our last couple of videos, here's something else you probably did not realize. You can cook in your air fryer. If you're seeing some little containers in there, I am baking in my air fryer this morning, testing out a recipe. And that recipe is, it's nearly finished. Let's have a little look. I like the reveal time. This is so exciting. All right, guess what I've got in there, guys? These are going to be, well, they are already, chocolate molten lava cakes. So you know those awesome, I'm going to try and grab one out for you. You know those awesome little puddings that, ooh, this is going to be hot. Those awesome little puddings that when you break into it, it's kind of like a little lava flow because it's just cooked in the middle. So with one hand, I'm going to attempt to grab this and turn it upside down onto my plate. Is it going to come out? Please come out. Oh, it's coming out sort of. Oh, there we go. This is kind of what I was talking about, right? It's supposed to come out in one go. I obviously didn't butter it enough. But that is a bit of a mess. But it's going to be the most tasty mess you could ever imagine. So this is my chocolate molten lava cakes. Healthy, of course. Gluten-free, of course. Sugar-free, of course. Cooked in the air fryer, and you would not believe how long they take. They smell pretty good too. I'm using unsweetened chocolate. They smell amazing. They take only 6 minutes to cook. And if I had just waited a bit longer, oh, it did want to come out of the mold, as you can see. I just didn't wait long enough. You will get that chocolate oozing out all over the plate. So, episode 3 of things you did not know you could.